Hey everyone, welcome to Fat Guy Tries. I'm the Fat Guy, and today we've got... I can't get enough of Dairy Queen. I can't get enough of their blizzards. Plus, it's a new month, which means that we are going to be reviewing their blizzard of the month for the month of October. And thankfully, I don't have to stretch too hard to make this fit in with Fright Guy Does Things, because Dairy Queen kind of did that for me. It's sort of Halloween themed. This is the Reese's Pieces Cookie Dough Blizzard, which is actually, one of their newer menu items that they put on the Blizzard menu in September. And normally I don't really like when they do that. I kind of wish that they would just, make like a special Blizzard for 1 month or whatever. But yeah, this gives me a great excuse to try this because I was really tempted to get it last month. So I'm going to go ahead and give you a little look. You can see we got Reese's Pieces and we got cookie dough somewhere hidden in here. And yeah, I'm kind of looking forward to trying this. I think if we were to go over like what your favorite Halloween candies would be, or what you wish you'd gotten more of at Halloween, I wish I'd gotten more Reese's Pieces because I like the peanut butter cups, but there's just something about those Reese's Pieces where you can like just spread them out and like pop one in your mouth and just keep doing that, and it's like you have this bountiful supply of peanut butter chocolate like right in the palm of your hand. It's beautiful. But anyway, I digress. Let's try the Blizzard, shall we? Let's dig right into it. And I think we got a little bit of cookie dough on this as well, so we're gonna be getting the full Monty here. So right away, as soon as I put it in my mouth, I could taste peanut butter, which leads me to believe, yeah, I believe so. There's little specks of peanut butter in this Blizzard, in addition to the Reese's Pieces. Now, they've done that for a lot of their peanut butter Blizzards, but it's a really nice surprise to have it here. Because, like I said, as soon as I put it in my mouth, even more so than the ice cream, I could taste the peanut butter just right there on my tongue. It was wonderful. You get that nice crunch from the Reese's Pieces and that kind of chewy texture of the cookie dough. I really like cookie dough. I'll eat it raw. I haven't in a while, but I'd like to think I was kind of ahead of that trend. But I mean, I don't know. I'm not the only one who's eating raw cookie dough, though. So I'm not going to toot my own horn on that. I'm just going to take one more bite. Can wrap it up with our thoughts here. Just trying to give that little bit of cookie dough. I get the sense that they kind of use the dough a little sparingly, which is fine. The Reese's Pieces and the peanut butter alone would be great, but So we've got the peanut butter mixed in, which, like I said, gives it that instant peanut butter flavor. We've got the Reese's Pieces, more peanut butter, a little bit of a chocolate shell, more crunch. And we got the cookie dough, which is nice chewy sensation. It's very savory flavor. If you ever had cookie dough, you know what I mean. And all of it kind of comes together in what I think is a pretty solid blizzard right here. Reese's Pieces cookie dough, October 21, blizzard of the month. I gotta give it a thumbs up. I'm just, there's so much happening here that it's hard to not like it, you know? Because if there's maybe one thing you don't like, or one thing you like a little more than the blizz about qualities of this blizzard than the other, it's still there, you know? It's I think there's a lot to like about this blizzard. I like the mix of peanut butter and cookie dough. That's kind of a nice combination. You don't see too much in Dairy Queen's blizzards. And even though I'm more of a chocolate guy, honestly, this doesn't really need it. It's got everything it needs right here. So, thumbs up for Dairy Queen for October 2021. And that's going to do it for Fat Guy Tries. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you enjoyed the video. And I hope you're enjoying October. I'm having a blast right now. The leaves are falling. I'm watching horror movies every day. It's great. I'm getting scared. No, seriously, I'm getting a little scared, actually. I'm really afraid that we're going to get some October snow. I'm hoping that's not the case, but anyway, I don't want to jinx anything. So thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day.